how to raster gaming hub personal data on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here so click on gaming hub. Now here so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on last option settings. So now in gaming hub setting, scroll down, you will see raster personal data is here. So click on raster personal data. So after click on raster personal data, so click on raster. So you will see, you will read this. So after read, if you want to raster, so click on raster. After raster, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can raster gaming hub personal data on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.